Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation Practice podcast. I'm Isabella.
And I'm James. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. If you're starting your day right now, this podcast is perfect for you.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about something very simple, very real, and very useful.
We're talking about our morning routine.
Morning routines are a great topic for learning English because we use these words and sentences every day.
Exactly. And when you practice English with daily routines, you build confidence little by little.
So don't worry, you don't need to understand every word.
Just relax, listen, and enjoy the conversation.
You can listen while you drink your coffee, eat breakfast, or get ready for work or school.
James, let me ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
Are you a morning person?
That's a good question. I think I'm half a morning person.
Half a morning person? What does that mean?
Well, I wake up early, but I'm not very talkative in the morning.
Oh, I understand that. So you wake up early, but you need some time.
Yes, exactly. I need quiet time in the morning.
I'm a little different. I really enjoy mornings.
Really, you sound very energetic in the morning.
Thank you. I think mornings are peaceful.
That's true. Mornings are usually quiet and calm.
So let's start from the beginning. James, what time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30. That's pretty early.
Yes, but I like having enough time before work.
That's important. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. I use my phone as an alarm.
Me too, and sometimes I press the snooze button.
Oh, me too. How many times do you press snooze?
Maybe 2 or 3 times.
Same here. I tell myself just 5 more minutes.
But 5 minutes becomes 10, and 10 becomes 15.
Exactly. That happens to me all the time.
After you wake up, what's the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is sit up in bed and stretch.
That's a good habit.
Yes, I stretch my arms and my back. It helps me wake up.
I usually check the time and then slowly get out of bed.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Why not?
Because if I check messages or social media, I feel stressed.
That's true. Mornings should be calm.
Exactly. I like to start my day slowly.
After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom.
Same here. I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water really wakes you up.
Yes, it does. Then I brush my teeth.
Brushing teeth is a very useful phrase for English learners.
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
Simple sentence, but very common.
After that, I take a quick shower.
Do you take a shower every morning?
Yes, I do. It helps me feel fresh.
I usually shower in the morning too, especially on work days.
After the shower, I get dressed.
What kind of clothes do you usually wear in the morning?
On weekdays, I wear comfortable work clothes.
And on weekends?
On weekends, I wear casual clothes like a t-shirt and jeans.
That sounds comfortable.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen.
Ah, the best part of the morning.
Yes, breakfast time.
Do you always eat breakfast?
Most of the time, yes. I try not to skip breakfast.
That's a good habit. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat something simple, maybe eggs or toast.
And coffee?
Of course, I always drink coffee in the morning.
I knew it. You sound like a coffee person.
What about you? Tea or coffee?
I drink coffee too, but sometimes I drink tea.
Do you make breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I like homemade breakfast.
I usually prepare breakfast quickly.
That's another good phrase, prepare breakfast.
Yes, English learners can use that phrase every day.
While I eat breakfast, I like to sit quietly.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes, soft music.
I like listening to podcasts in the morning.
Like this one?
Exactly like this one.
That makes me happy.
After breakfast, I clean up the kitchen.
Do you wash the dishes right away?
Yes, I try to. It keeps things clean.
I do the same. A clean space helps me feel calm.
Then I check my schedule for the day.
That's very organized.
I look at my tasks and plan my day.
Planning is very important.
Yes, even a simple plan helps.
After that, I usually get my bag ready.
What do you put in your bag?
My notebook, my phone charger, and sometimes a book.
I always bring my laptop and my water bottle.
Staying hydrated is important.
Before leaving the house, I check the weather.
Oh, that's a good habit.
If it's cold, I wear a jacket.
If it's raining, I take an umbrella.
Exactly.
Before I leave, I like to take a deep breath.
That's nice.
It helps me feel ready for the day.
Then I leave the house and go to work.
Do you walk, drive, or take public transport?
I usually take public transport.
That's a great time to practice English listening,
Yes, I listen to English audio on the way.
like stories, conversations, or slow English.
Exactly. Repetition is very helpful
And that's why we're here.
to help you practice English every day.
When I arrive at work, the first thing I do is say hello to my coworkers.
That's another very useful morning phrase. I say hello to my coworkers.
Yes, simple but important. A friendly greeting can change your mood.
I agree. When people smile and say good morning, the day feels better.
After that, I sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
Do you start working right away?
Not immediately. First, I check my emails.
Checking emails is part of many people's morning routine.
Yes, I read important messages and reply if needed.
I do the same. I don't answer all emails in the morning, only urgent ones.
That's smart. Too many emails can be overwhelming.
Exactly. After emails, I like to organize my tasks.
Do you write a to-do list?
Yes, I do. I write a simple list of things I want to do.
I like using a digital list on my phone.
Both are good. The important thing is having a plan.
Planning helps me feel more confident.
Confidence is very important, especially when learning English.
That's true. Many learners feel shy or nervous.
But confidence grows with practice.
Yes, just like a morning routine, practice every day helps.
Speaking of practice, do you practice English in the morning?
Sometimes I do. I read a short article or listen to English audio.
That's a great habit.
I think mornings are the best time to learn
Why do you think that?
because my mind is fresh and not tired.
I feel the same way. In the morning, I can focus better.
For English learners, even 10 minutes is enough.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Consistency is key.
Let's say that again for our listeners.
Consistency is key.
Very important phrase.
You don't need to do everything perfectly.
You just need to keep going.
Exactly. Small steps every day.
Sometimes my morning doesn't go as planned.
Oh, really? What happens?
Sometimes I wake up late.
That happens to everyone.
When that happens, I try not to panic.
That's good advice.
I tell myself, it's okay, just do your best.
Positive self-talk is very helpful.
Yes, especially in the morning.
If my morning is rushed, I feel stressed all day.
Same here. That's why I try to wake up a little earlier.
Even 15 minutes can make a big difference.
Exactly. Those extra minutes help me breathe and relax.
Relaxing is important before a busy day.
Sometimes I do light stretching or simple exercises.
That's a healthy habit.
Nothing too hard, just moving my body a little.
I like to take a short walk in the morning.
A morning walk sounds nice.
Yes, especially when the weather is good.
Fresh air helps clear your mind.
And it gives you energy.
Energy is something everyone needs in the morning.
That's true.
Let's talk about mornings at home.
Okay.
How are mornings with family?
They can be busy and noisy.
I can imagine.
Everyone is getting ready at the same time.
That's very real life.
Yes, someone is in the bathroom, someone is making breakfast.
Someone is looking for their keys.
Exactly, that happens every morning.
Mornings with family teach patience.
Yes, they do.
For English learners, these daily moments are great practice.
You can describe your morning out loud.
For example, I am making breakfast.
Or I'm waiting for the bathroom.
Simple present continuous tense.
Very useful for beginners.
You can practice speaking even when you're alone.
Talk to yourself in English.
It may feel strange, but it works.
I agree. I did that when I was learning another language.
See, it really helps.
Let's talk about mornings on weekends.
Ah, weekend mornings are different.
Yes, they are more relaxed.
I usually wake up later on weekends.
Me too. I don't set an alarm.
Waking up naturally feels nice.
I enjoy slow mornings on weekends.
Slow breakfast, no rush.
Sometimes I make a special breakfast.
Like pancakes.
Yes, pancakes or omelets.
That sounds delicious.
Weekend mornings are for enjoying life.
And recharging for the week.
Exactly.
For English learners, weekends are also good for practice.
Yes, you can listen to longer podcasts.
Like this one.
Yes, exactly, like this one.
You can repeat sentences and speak along.
Shadowing is a great technique.
You listen and repeat at the same time.
It improves pronunciation and confidence,
Confidence comes from hearing your own voice.
even if it's not perfect.
Perfect is not the goal.
Communication is the goal.
That's very important.
In the morning, I like to set one small goal.
What kind of goal?
Something simple like I will speak English for 5 minutes.
That's a great goal.
Small goals are easy to achieve.
And achieving goals feels good.
It motivates you,
Motivation is very powerful.
especially in language learning.
Sometimes learners feel tired or bored,
That's normal.
but routines help you continue.
Yes, when something becomes a habit, it's easier.
That's why morning routines are so important.
They shape your whole day.
And slowly they shape your life.
That sounds deep, but it's true.
It really is.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners some simple advice.
Good idea.
Start your morning calmly.
Wake up a little earlier if you can.
Drink some water,
Eat something healthy.
and try to practice English even for a short time.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly.
Thank you for spending your morning with us.
We hope this conversation helped you.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
And every morning is a new chance.
Have a great day.
And keep practicing.
Before we really end, Isabella, I want to talk a little more about confidence in the morning.
That's a great idea. Confidence is something many English learners struggle with.
Yes, many people understand English, but they're afraid to speak.
I hear that all the time. They say, I know the words, but I can't speak.
And that fear often starts in the morning.
How so?
In the morning, people think about the day ahead. Meetings, school, talking to others.
That's true. The morning sets the tone for the whole day.
If you start your morning feeling nervous, the feeling stays.
But if you start calm and positive, the day feels easier.
Exactly. That's why small English practice in the morning is powerful.
Even one simple sentence.
Like, today I will speak English.
Or, it's okay to make mistakes.
Saying these things out loud helps.
I do that sometimes. I talk to myself in the mirror.
Really?
Yes, I say, Good morning, Isabella. You've got this.
I like that a lot.
It may sound funny, but it works.
Language learning is also about mindset.
Very true.
Some mornings are hard
Yes, sometimes you wake up tired.
or not motivated.
On those days, be kind to yourself.
Don't try to do too much.
Just listen. Listening is also learning.
Yes, passive learning still helps.
Your brain is still absorbing the language.
Exactly.
Let's talk about common morning English phrases.
Good idea. These are very useful.
For example, I'm still waking up,
That's a great one.
or I need some coffee.
Everyone says that in the morning.
Another one is I'm running late,
Very common phrase.
or I don't have much time this morning.
These phrases are simple but very real.
You can use them at work or school.
And you can practice them at home.
Say them slowly.
Repeat them.
Make them part of your routine.
Just like brushing your teeth.
Exactly.
Another tip is to describe what you're doing.
Yes, narrate your morning.
I'm making coffee.
I'm getting dressed.
I'm looking for my keys.
That one is very real.
Yes, I lose my keys often.
Me too.
When you speak like this, English becomes natural.
It becomes part of your life, not just a subject.
That's the goal.
Some learners think they need perfect grammar.
But communication is more important.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
So don't wait to be perfect.
Start now.
Start this morning.
Another thing I like in the morning is gratitude.
Gratitude is powerful.
I think of one thing I'm thankful for today.
What are you thankful for today?
Today, I'm thankful for our listeners.
That's very kind.
What about you?
I'm thankful for a new day and a fresh start.
Mornings really are a fresh start.
No matter what happened yesterday.
You can begin again,
That's comforting.
especially for learners who feel stuck.
Yes, if yesterday was hard, today can be better.
Just keep showing up.
Keep listening
Keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
Before we truly finish, let's do a short reflection.
Okay.
Think about your morning tomorrow.
What time will you wake up?
What will be the first thing you do?
Can you add 5 minutes of English?
Just 5 minutes.
Listen to English.
Or speak a few sentences.
That small action matters.
Over time, it adds up.
Learning a language is a long journey,
But every journey starts with one step.
and every day starts with a morning.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Thank you again for listening.
We're proud of you for practicing,
No matter your level,
beginner or advanced.
you're doing something great for yourself.
So take a deep breath
Smile.
and enjoy your morning.
We'll see you again soon.
Until next time, keep building confidence every day.